Zippy Gear. Vuitton's story. I haven't always been a good student. When I was young, I didn't study very hard. I would sometimes get into trouble with the teachers. I've failed lots of tests. Then one day my dad asked me what I wanted to do when I left school. I told him I've always wanted to be a doctor. He said that I would need to study hard if I wanted to be a doctor. My mother and father are good people. They have worked hard all their lives. They haven't had a holiday for nearly 5 years. My father is a farmer. He has worked hard all his life and he has given up a lot to make sure I have all the things I need. It hasn't been easy for my mother either. She hasn't had any of the opportunities that I have, but she never complains. So, I made a promise to them to try harder and make the most of the opportunities I have. That was a long time ago. Tomorrow I will take my final high school tests. I have tried to prepare well. I've read lots of books about medicine and I've taken extra biology classes. I've also had some very helpful teachers who taught me a lot. It hasn't always been easy. I've spent many nights studying while my friends were at the cinema or playing on their computers. But, I haven't missed out on everything. I still play football with my friends and I've also learned to play the guitar. I've won awards for being the most improved student and for coming first in biology. I've also had the opportunity to visit Canada and I might go to university there, but I haven't made my mind up yet. I haven't forgotten my promise and I still want to be a doctor and now I'm sure I can achieve my dream. It just takes lots of hard work and I've done lots of that.